Alright, sorry about the kids freaking yelling in the background. They're playing over there in the next door neighbor's yard. So it's a little warm today. I was working on the Vitara engine, and we got it pretty much ready to go. I put the oil pan on, so we swapped the oil pan today, the bung. So that's a block off bung for right now. I got to find a manifold for this that is a little bit more shallow, because we want to be able to keep the AC, because this is South Carolina and it's really important to have AC. So I want to keep the AC in the car and finish this motor, put it in. I have all the stuff to put the flywheel on, but I bought this. I'm going to make a little trolley, and I'm going to have to build something to kind of hold the motor up. So I got some wood back here. Basically, I want to build something we can set the motor on and kind of roll it around. That way we can put the flywheel on, we can put the clutch on and everything, and not have to worry about it being on the floor. And I'm not going to mate the transmission up until we get ready to put it in the car, because I have to carry this from back here, the very back of my yard, all the way to the front yard to put it in. And I just usually set them in the wheelbarrow and just roll them up front. So that's what we'll do, and then we'll mate the transmission to the engine, and then basically put it in the car. So I have everything else we need to do that. Basically now it's just basically getting everything else built. I got to build the trolley, and then hopefully get some warm weather. So that's what it's going to be, warm weather. I have another engine. This is a running engine. It's a Y7 that I picked up for the 4-door, just in case the motor in the 4-door is jacked. One reason why that motor, I didn't deck the block on that motor, because back here on the back of the engine, where the water line, coolant line is hooked up, this whole area back here is like all chipped up and broken. So that block is really not worth putting a whole lot of money into it. So I didn't want to pay a bunch of money to rebuild it, deck it, all that stuff. So I just threw a head gasket on it, drove it. It held for a while, and it was a cheap head gasket. So I just put a Velcro on there to see if it'll hold. I don't know if it's going to or not, but that motor is pretty much trash. So I want to take this motor, put it into the 2-door. That motor, the deck needs to be, the block needs to be decked, so the deck needs to be done. But that motor has low miles, so we're going to take the motor out of that car, rebuild it, put it in the 4-door, and that'll be the final resting place for that motor. Then it'll be pretty much a 0-mile motor in that car. This will be done. This will be in my 2-door, ready to go. And then if I don't use this as an in-between motor for the 4-door, I may just rebuild this, and we'll build something out of this. I don't know. We may build another Vitara engine. I don't know. I could just put it in a freaking shell and sell it too. So just looking around, I could actually build this and put it into the other Honda too, the 95. I could possibly do that, swap it over, and then build a Vitara engine for that. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. That car, I got some more stuff for it, and we'll see. The car's still kind of on the back burner right now. I need to get the framework done, but that's also, I need a bunch of warm days so I can get some stuff done. But you guys take it easy. Have a good one. Peace.